Hello, everyone. I'm Olivia Blakes, and welcome to AI Intellect. Here's your top story. A recent report has revealed a concerning trend in the workforce, with 41% of companies potentially replacing employees with AI technologies by 2030. While these advancements promise significant improvements in efficiency, they also raise alarms about the future of human jobs. Despite this, 77% of organizations are committed to reskilling or upskilling their current workforce, aiming to adapt to AI-driven workflows. Furthermore, 70% are turning their focus towards hiring fresh talent with expertise in AI technology design and implementation. The report highlights how AI's growing capabilities are automating tasks that were once solely dependent on human workers. However, as AI takes over more responsibilities, workers must embrace adaptability and lifelong learning to remain competitive. Companies are prioritizing the development of new skills to help their teams thrive in this AI-dominated landscape. Industries that effectively combine human creativity with AI efficiency are expected to lead the charge in this transformation, ensuring both innovation and job opportunities in the evolving workplace. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this fast-evolving story on AI's impact on the workforce. Thank you for watching. I'm Olivia Blakes, and this has been your latest update on AI Intellect. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more interesting updates on artificial intelligence.